Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
New day here on Bluey. I have Mariah back tomorrow, so we'll be a full team again. We have stripped out the entire sides of the ship now in this lower level. It's time to strip out the roof. It's going to be an interesting job because it's basically covered with these slats, but I've taken a little bit off this section of the roof already. There's like multiple levels of batons. I'm hoping that once they're all stripped out and we actually redo the roof, we'll get a bit more headroom. It's going to be a fulfilling but rather laborious job because there's quite a lot of roof to take out. All of this. So let's get on with it.
You're thinking, hold up, I think I've stumbled into something awesome. Oh, what luck. Now
this section in the front has been stripped out. This section actually isn't going to be as slow because there's less batons to take out. Got to get this section out next.
You're thinking, what the flipping heck? She was toxic and she burned.
The roof is down. All we have up here is now insulation panels. Notice something here. Burnt, black, charred insulation. Like it's like it's got drips of insulation. There's a weld line here. So somebody's welded something with this insulation in place and it's burnt. A fantastic way to set fire inside of your boat. Top tip, don't weld without a fire extinguisher on the inside of your boat, because that can happen.
The way that she makes me feel, I'm sure I'm wrong about the signs. I'm sure it's not a big deal. But
the roof continues to be full of surprises. Look, we've got a tiny little wasp's nest. Clearly a wasp tried to make his home in the boat. Didn't get very far though. God knows how long that's been there. Cool. Getting these batons off the steel is a real pain because these old screws are actually bolted to steel, you can see, but they're all rusted, so they're not coming off very easily, which means I'm having to go and break these off one by one, which is a real faff. It's taking longer than I thought. We are getting there.
I'm getting out of getting into you. I could do without.
There's no more ceiling in the boat. Bare metal, sides bare metal, end bare metal. It's just the floor to go. We're getting there.
I could do without, I could do without. Let me hear you shout damaged goods.
I am pooped. It's a beautiful day. It's lovely and warm. It's evenings like this that make me realise what's so beautiful about doing up this boat. We're not living on Bluey yet. This is basically what we're aiming for. A solar panel to charge a kettle is all I need. A mug and a supply of tea. Just sit here for the rest of my life enjoying this. There's a shitload of work between now and that dream, but hey, we're going there and you're coming along with me. One downside of living on a canal is mosquitoes the size of fucking birds. Look at that thing. Jesus Christ. It might be time to go home.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.